In prime-time news this evening, we didn't know. Tourism officials launched staunch defense after Jamaicans expressed outrage at the Mocha Fest party series. Disappointed? Bartlett condemns breaches at Mocha Fest, but not against the parties continuing. Closed. Rick's Cafe feels the heat after breaching COVID-19 protocols at Mocha Fest.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the staging of Mocha Fest 2021 in Negril despite restrictions on entertainment events? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.